Hey there, it's Jess and our culinary companion Cliff. Today, we're turning up the heat and diving into how to use your range. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a newbie, we've got some tips and tricks just for you. First off, using your range isn't just about turning it on. It's about the dish you're whipping up, the cookware you're using, and the cooking modes at your fingertips. Depending on your model, you might have knobs, buttons, or even both to set the stage for hungry mouths to feed. And whether you're team gas or team electric, we've got you covered. On the cooktop, you've got a world of possibilities. From simmering to boiling, your range is ready for action. Gas burners, they're measured in BTUs. Electric, we're talking watts. 5,000 BTUs, perfect for those fluffy scrambled eggs. 7,500 BTUs, ideal for sautéing or your daily cooking adventures. And 15,000 BTUs, that's boiling territory. And we don't want to forget about our warm and melt options. Melt is a lifesaver for those delicate items like butter or chocolate. Cookware matters. Flat-bottomed pans are your best friend here. And while cast iron might give your food that perfect sear, be gentle on your glass cooktop. For our gas range fans, a flat-bottomed wok is the way to go. And remember, treat your cookware well. No long soaks, please. Now, let's peek inside the oven. First, admire that sturdy one-piece handle. We're all about dependability here at GE Appliances. And our oven racks, they're ready for even your heaviest casseroles. But it's not just about the build, it's also about the cooking modes. No preheat air fry, a crowd favorite for those crispy delights. Bake, your cakes and cookies will thank you. Roasting, bring on the veggies. Broil, perfect for that golden cheese or sizzling steak. Convection, multi-rack baking has never been so even. And if you're a bread lover, some ovens even have a proof mode. As for oven racks, play around with their position. Want that pizza cheese golden? Move the rack on up. A quick tip, always check your oven before preheating. You'd be surprised how many pots and pans or dog toys find their way in there. Your choice of cookware can make a difference in the oven too. Dark pans, they're heat magnets. Shiny pans, even baking. Glass and ceramic, slow and steady. And while foil can be handy, use it wisely. We don't want any oven mishaps. For the tech savvy among you, our smart ranges are a game changer. With the Smart HQ app, you can control your range from anywhere. Preheat, turn off, or even get new features as they roll out. It's like giving your kitchen a superpower. Lastly, our oven drawer isn't just a drawer. It's a testament to GE's commitment to durability. Perfect for storing those pots and pans once they're clean and ready for your next culinary adventure. And that's a wrap on using your range. Remember, Cliff and I are always here to help you navigate the world of appliances.